Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to be looking at the strictfp keyword. This keyword basically just ensures that the result that we're looking for from floating point numbers, doubles, floats, all that stuff, or well within our floating point variables, that the precision does not differ from platform to platform. And the reason it's in Java, because Java's a write once be everywhere type of language, is so that we get the result we're expecting for on every single platform that we distribute our program to. So we have better control with using strictfp keyword over things like floating point arithmetic, and I've initialized employee up here, and I've got an example up here. We don't really need this. Save this, and what we got down here is I'm just calling calculate me, and calculate me is just a, you can, by the way, you can put this on the strictfp keyword on methods, classes, and interface. You can't put them on abstract methods, variables, or constructors. Down here we've got a method here, a normal method. It's not abstract because obviously it wouldn't allow it. That just calculates some floating point numbers and returns them. And we're expecting the same result on every platform. So yeah, if we don't use strictfp, the JVM will, is free to mess around with the implementation, choose extra precision where available. One example I found online where it's probably most used is strictfp. I haven't used it, to be honest, before. It's where all floating point calculations need to be deterministic, no matter what the hardware or CPU specifications are. So what is the trade-off of using this? Well, generally, if we've got some sort of compiler that might cut off some of our floating point numbers across different systems, it will do this just for speed. But if we do have this strictfp on there, the most likely scenario in terms of a trade-off is just execution time. So we might get a little more execution time, but it's worth it because obviously if you're using some sort of game and you determine, I don't know, the mesh size of some sort of character in some sort of RPG game, you don't want some guy's sword to be absolutely huge on his screen, as opposed to I don't know, it being the correct size that we set based on a floating point number. So yeah, the trade-off, like in some sort of multiplayer game, we want to see that the application and all the stuff that's loaded into the platform is exactly the same, and there's no like miscalculations because we haven't used strictfp. All the strictfp calculations are declared, not declared, they're all computed from within a class that conforms to IEEE standards, specifically the 754. But anyways, I'm not going to bore you too much. I'll just show you that this works and how we can use it by just putting it on our methods, classes, or interfaces. So there we are, that's our calculation for the floating point number. Any questions, do drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to help. I haven't used it too much as mentioned, but then again, there's a lot of information online about this, so make sure you have a look around. Thanks for watching.